Welcome back everyone. You may be experiencing some issues with your Windows 10 PC or even a Windows 11 PC, and you may be stuck in this blue screen boot loop type of issue. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing, this is going to be a pretty bird's level view. If it's a serious issue, you may want to watch, a different tutorial, but basically the first thing I'd recommend doing is holding down that power button on your PC until your computer fully restarts. In my experience, this has been the best way to go ahead and fix a majority of issues out there. Time and time again, I've ran into a lot of different issues where my PC wouldn't start or my PC would just keep boot looping, get stuck on a hello screen, different things like that. By simply restarting it, that has been one of the fastest ways to fix these issues. So without a doubt, in my opinion, just restarting your PC is probably the first thing I'd recommend doing in this specific case. Now, let's say you go ahead and do it and it's still not working. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is unplugging any type of external drive that you have on your specific PC. Now, what does this mean? Well, if you have any hard drives, SSDs that you're not booting from, go ahead and unplug those specific devices and then try loading up your PC once more and seeing if that fixed the problem. Like I mentioned, sometimes there can be some devices out there that may be interfering with your boot up for your PC, and this is another one of those things that I'd recommend doing just because it's one of the easier ways to pretty much boot it up for the most part. So if that fixed it, then you're pretty much set. If that still doesn't fix it, the next thing you can do is to actually boot your PC up into safe mode and try to troubleshoot that specific issue that way. So I'm going to go ahead and allow you to kind of search up how you boot into safe mode on your specific PC. It's a little bit different if you're on a laptop, computer, or whatever it is. So go ahead and find out how you can go into safe mode on your specific PC. Now, when you have that figured out, the next thing you want to do is you want to go into the troubleshoot option. You want to click on advanced options. You want to go and click on startup settings, and you want to go ahead and click on the fourth option that says enable safe mode. So now when you boot up into safe mode, you'll basically be able to go ahead and get into the safety mode of your computer, and you want to go ahead and delete any program that's been interfering with your PC booting up fully. Now, it's not a guarantee, but it is another one of those ways to pretty much fix these types of problems. Like I mentioned, I've had so many issues since installing, many different versions of, Windows. The best thing you can do is delete any other programs you have in the background and try to go on from there. So if that fixed it, then you're set. If that still didn't fix it, I'd recommend contacting Microsoft and have them take a look at your computer. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.